Yo, Kelua, thank you very much for the sub. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Chur, how's everyone doing? Morning. Thank you, Kelua, for the sub. Much appreciated. Damn, first sub of the day. It's the middle of the night where I am. Goddamn, just don't stay up too late, brother. Morning, everybody. Morning. Feels good to be back outside doing carving. I've been away from my tools for a while, and you guys as well. So my bad for that. But I had a few things to do. So yeah, we should be good. Okay, Fanta. Today we'll be doing some Whakairo, some traditional Maori woodcarving, and yeah, we'll get some work done on this piece, and if I'm feeling it today, we might even go into Odin, because he's almost done as well. Yeah, just those days I took off, put me behind, but that's just part of it. Hey, thanks for that, guys. Yeah, random sneeze. Okay, before we even start, we can catch up first if you like. We went live last night just for a little bit. Finally got my Whakairo on my warrior. And cheer, Doug Jumper. Cheer, brother. But hello everyone. Yeah, cheer. Hope everyone's doing good. And welcome to everyone that may be new here as well. So you might hear me say it a lot. Cheer means hello. It's like slang here. And whānau is something that I always call you guys, which is family. Hey, cheer my bro. Yeah, I got my Whakairo and classic. Mate, got any relationship advice for when you're being ignored? To be honest, what I would do is ask, why are you ignoring me? And another thing would be, I don't know, maybe it's time to focus on yourself if they don't want to focus on you. That's what I would say. That's something I would do. Yeah, Chiefs beat the Blues on the weekend. Okay, hey, cheers, steady. So yeah, we'll start, make a start to it. But yeah, finally got my Whakairo last night, so we good. And yeah, I'll probably be playing more classic this time around, because I don't know, I feel like Shadowlands is becoming a bit draggy. Yeah. I mean, I'm still behind in a few things, but I'm enjoying classic more, and the Burning Crusade beta. So okay, let's get some work done, Yeah, bro, it was mean at the start, and then I don't know, somehow it's like not doing the same as it used to. Yeah, I've been thinking about that Monster Hunter game, Is it worth? Joe Reaver. I want to get into Monster Hunter, but I want to try it first. Depends, it is very grindy. Oh, yep. Because I'm still playing a bit of Pokemon, offline. I just beat the fire jump. Oh, it's easy, yes. Yeah, I might try the demo before I think about getting the game. Hey, cheer, brother, Black Bear. Title, Broxh. That's a new command people have been asking for. I don't have a title. Not even a bloody intercontinental title. Yo, what's up, relaxing sausages? Yo, what's up, brother? Thank you very much for the 7 months love, my bro. And also, Lay's fought with the 3 months. Oh, it's all now. Oh, it's just rain, brother. Here was left outside. And Chilled French. Here we go again. Thank you very much for the 10 months, brother. God damn. Thank you, Fanta. Chilled sausages. Sorry, Fanta. I tend to chuckle at funny names like that a lot. Oh, yo, cheer, my bro. Cheer, Sergeant Suicider, for the 5 gifted subs, brother. Going to JBZ, Borge Baby, Blues Doff Times, and Arthur Kilburn and Shogun Frodo. Yo, cheer, my bro. I have made my entrance. Yo, what's up, brother? How you been, brother? Thank you very much for the 5 gifted subs, my bro. Bro, who else has seen King Kong vs Godzilla? It's such a good movie. Are you able to get anything done while streaming? It looks hard to manage both. Oh, it's pretty easy. I've done heaps of pieces. For me, I always like to make time and talk to everyone that's here. That's the main thing for me. I will get the work done eventually, so yeah, the main thing for me is like talking to you guys. Who did you watch it with? One of my bros from high school. Bro, it's mean. I just want to know who did King Kong's beard, because that is straight shaped and boxed out to the max. Yeah, Reva, even with that spoiler alert from Pop Vinyls, it was still worth it. Get his barber's number. Bro, they boxed out his beard so good. Been good, Broxh. How you been? Too, brother. Yeah, we've been good. I've been busy the last few days, last week, from like Wednesday right up to the weekend pretty much. But it's good to finally relax now. And yeah, get some work done. Oh, thank you, Universe Taco, for the bits. Yeah, I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. Because I'm a big fan of both, but yeah, bro. And the cinema was quite empty, so it was good too. It's having a good catch up with one of my bros. Hello from Gothenburg, Sweden. Love your work. Yo, what's up, Chubori? Damn, brother. Oh, relaxing sausages. Thank you very much for the bits, brother. Oh, I cannot get over that name. There are some legendary Twitch names out there, Whanau. And also, if there are any Fortnite players in the game, on the stream, so I recently got back into it, and if you are a real OG, you'll know that some of my first pixelated AF streams were Fortnite. I didn't plan on doing this, but because of Mr. Fanta Pants, one of the mods, I was watching him stream it, he made me want to do it now. I'm questioning everything right now. Rainbow Cat. Yo, cheesecake. Tēnā koutou whānau, been quite the great 7 months. Eesh, look at this guy flexing on us. Thank you very much. Oh, sorry, this guy. Sorry. Thank you for the 7 months cheesecake. It's been a bloody ride, that's for sure. My favourite Twitch name is Pineapple Wizard. I think one of the most iconic ones I've seen was Stroking Me Cork. But also one I was definitely impressed by was one of Nade Shot's mods. He's like the original Blackbeard. The original. 2 more months and I'll be a mom. Oh, true, Four Guys has Godzilla skins. In his path, did you get a dedicated team? Yeah, bro. Croco Puff, yeah, I definitely did. Oh, Joggy. Yeah, I definitely got a key, brother. I've been playing a bit of it just to see what I intend to play. Okay, Joogie, what did you do? Hey, Joogie, thank you very much for the $3, brother. I really appreciate that, my bro. Thank you, brother. Well, sis, sorry. I should really learn to say both. Thank you very much, Joogie. Also, something I've been looking at over the weekend as well is a grinder for my chisels. A wheel grinder. I also caught up with someone over the weekend too, and other than one of my good bros, my grandfather, who's also a carver. I just needed some advice on stains. How's BC? I haven't played too much of it because I want to keep it all a surprise, but yeah, it's pretty mean. I only plan on playing 3 classes this time round. The Blood Tall, the Tallers. Thank you very much for the 560 bits, brother. Oh, not so much fix all my chisels, just give them a nice fresh grindy. But yeah, I'm currently looking for a good grinder. There's a few out there, but I want to at least get one that'll last till I finish. Oh, come on, brother. Hold on, babe. Yo, thank you, brother Sergeant Suicider, for the 5 gifted subs once again. Oh, please don't be fighting over that badge thingy. That went to Maikus, Rocker, Heaven Quake, Bala, and Tozen. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate that, my bro. Thank you, brother. BC might be what brings me back to WoW. Oh, yeah, did you start in BC? Oh, and Fref CSGO, thank you very much for the all the legs 11 months, brother. Love your Broxh. Thank you, my bro. Thank you very much, my brother. Congratulations on your badge as well, my man. So yeah, the badges are 3 colours I did myself. Just wanted to have a go. Something I want to start incorporating into the streams as well is the drawing process of our carvings. So that's something I want to start introducing to the stream now. What are your thoughts? thank you once again, Fref and Brother Sergeant. Much appreciated, brothers. Hey, hi, Bear. How long have you been doing wood carvings or whatever you call it? Really curious because the amount of practice is amazing. I started when I was 12 years old. I am now 29. So 21 with 8 years experience. Of course, man, keep doing you. Thank you, brother. Another dono from... Oh, girls. Hey, Juki, just commenting. Just comment, my bro. That's all good. Yo, Juki, thank you once again for the dono, brother. The $1. Appreciate that, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. And also, Low Gains, thank you very much for the 9 months. Congratulations on becoming a sub-parent. Much appreciated, brother. There we go. We might have to turn it around eventually, so I can hit it from the different angles as well. Thank you very much, Low Gains, for the 9 months once again. How are you doing today, Octopus Knight? Doing really good, brother. Happy to just be back outside again and doing what I do best. Just been a really hectic week last week. Really got busy, eh? But it's good to finally just chill now. Hey, crazy! Yo, what's up, my bro? Thank you very much for the 1 year, brother. For the 12-month subscription, brother. Appreciate that big love, my bro. Thank you, brother. And congrats on the new badge as well. And hope you're doing well, brother. How you been? My sub baby. Oh, cause you hit 9 months. That's what I called it. Sub baby. Mrs. Mime, thank you very much for the tier 1. So can we get some love in the chat for Mrs. Mime too? Where's Mr. Mime? The Blood Tallest, thank you very much for gifting a sub to Griffmeister General. Thank you very much, brother. Much appreciated, Whānau. Cheer, brother. Crazy, how you been, brother? Cheer, my bro. Okay, I'm just gonna turn him around a bit. Modern Keep. Oh, with the tier 3. Yo, as long as you alright with them, man. Thank you very much for the tier 3. I know that's bloody expensive. You can just come and chill, but thank you. Give some love, giving some love, mate. Yo, thank you, Modern Kiwi. Oh, and then their blood decides to sub as well. Hey, thank you for the 3 months, brother. Much appreciated, my man. Mr. Mime is with Ash's mum. It doesn't Ash take Mr. Mime this time around, though? I think that's what I saw in the anime. Or whatever you want to call it. Doesn't his mum give him Mr. Mime now? Any Pokemon Masters in the chat? Can confirm? Oh, thank you, Goldfish. Bro, I got to give back to your community, bro. It's amazing and respect. Yo, thank you, Modern Kiwi. Yo, that's a cool emote. Thank you, brother. Little sis, sorry, I should really say that as well, just in case. Bam, bam, oh yeah. So yeah, man. Any Hearthstoners in the chat prepping for the new expansion coming out? Okay, there you go. One. And two. So we're just setting up the eyebrow for designing today at the moment, guys. And yeah, there are a few angles that I have to hit it, and the camera has to be away from the design, and I do apologize for that. Marcos Tassini, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. Hope you're doing alright, man. I'm doing all good, brother, with you here. Thank you very much, brother. And also Ezekiel Rage with the 2 months as well. Much appreciated, brother. Finally, I found you after a whole year. Oh, welcome, bro. Cheer, brother Jono. How often do you stream well, by the way? Sometimes at night, but I'll probably be playing Pokemon. Yeah, cheer, my bro, for the 12 months. I thought you already done that. Cheer, my bro. Hold on, Fanta. I'll just do this. Much appreciated. Also the VTech with the sub as well. Thank you, brother. Oh, all good sausages. Well, that's just what I call everyone. Brothers. Sometimes I call the girls in here sisters because I don't know. And it's always good when they correct me so I know. Well, all good, brother. Oh snap, I just seen your top. Oh, you, bro. Bro, you gotta help me too to try and get one of your ones because I don't know how to do those forms. So yeah, this is one of Tim's ones. How long does it take for you to make one of these? It all depends on how much time I put into it. Like, if I wasn't talking, to be honest, it's kind of boring when you got no one to talk to while you carve. It would have been finished ages ago. Always fear. Hold on, Fanta, I'm just reading this. You're 10 years old, Chewbucks. Oh, we got a Chewbucks in the chat too. Damn, bro. Yo, $2, bro. If you look up to me in that way, bro. If you look up to me like that, just make sure you're here whenever times get hard, eh? Yeah, I've been in a similar situation. I pretty much just went to my grandparents. If you have that opportunity, bro, go and stay with your grandparents. That's what I would do. Jeez, I'm not gonna lie, that's hitting me in the feels a bit, eh? But for someone that's 10, bro, just come and be here, bro. That's what I would say. if you look up to me like that, I'll try and be the best example I can be for you to enjoy your day. Woo. Takes a big man to open up like that, brother. I'll say that much. So you're already making progress with yourself. Choo Bucks. Just come and chill with us, brother. Live in Canada, always. Okay. Far out. Just bro, just know that you have people here that will help you, including myself, bro. Just if it's just talking, bro. Yeah. Thank you for gifting a sub to him as well, brother. And Jax Keita, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Thank you very much, my man. Oh, jeez. Okay, brother. Yeah. Just chill here with us. That would be the main thing. Yes. Can we just spam some hearts and some smiles in the chat for Chur Bucks, please? Just come and chill with us, bro. That's all what I would say. Anyway, I'm gonna take the camera off my face. Sorry, Fanta. Thank you for doing that. Keep going, please, Fanta. Keep going. Thank you, Fanta. That's the one. Okay, here we go. Sure, brother, plastic. Oh, we got a hydrate coming in too. Okay, let me just get this going. Man, you people have me crying. Oh, it's all good, bro. That's all we're here for, just to support one another in this current time. Here we go. I need to give me a new jug. Oh, what's up, Captain Baloo? What's up, brother? Historius, thank you very much for the tier 1 as well, brother. Welcome to the channel. Outside. Where's the whai kōrero? What for? So Vivid, I listen to a lot of music. The one currently playing is DJ Spell. You catch the Suicide Squad trailer? Yeah, bro. My favourite character is probably King Shark, eh? He's funny. And he's voiced by Sylvester Stallone. Yeah, I like King Shark. He looks like he's gonna be funny. That's looking beautiful, brother. Yeah, it's all yours anyway, bro. Will he be Korg funny? I don't know. I feel like he might be. You never know. I just like him because he, just goes onto the scene and just straight devours someone. A VI Python, thank you very much for subbing too, brother. Much appreciated, my man. And welcome, brother. Welcome. Oh, is he in the film? True. I have done a bit of stone carving. But my heart's in Whakairo, traditional Maori wood carving. I can't remember what I done with the piece I carved like a long time ago. I should try and find it. Yo, chill my bro. Fuck, I can't wait for your Pokemon card streams, eh? Fuck, they're mean. I can't decide whether to enter it or electivire it. But that's a pretty mean idea you come up with, bro. Straight up. Hello Twitch. Oh, good morning, Kiwi. Yeah, I usually take 5 commissions at a time, brother. Or sis. And yeah, I usually announce when it's empty, and then I look through my emails and choose. Otherwise, people can ask here as well. But most of the time, I should really look at my emails first, because they're the ones that have been waiting the longest. I was supposed to do it today, but I might push it to tonight. Oh, that's right, you do day streams, on a Tuesday. Oh, nice plastic, bro. I hope you get the Zard, man, straight up. I pre-ordered some, and I was paying them off, like, just like $10 a week, and I got 2 tins and a trainer box. Just giving it a go. There's only a few cards I want, and they're the Shining Fates. Obviously the Zard is one of them. Yeah, Reva, I've seen that one, but I reckon he would have got more what would you call it, like more exposure bending the pack and not knowing that there was a Zard in there. So it was good and it was bad for him. I probably wouldn't do that myself. Yo, Hato Hero, thank you for the 6 months, brother. Welcome. Appreciate that, aloha, my bro. Hey, extra Fanta with the 8 months too. Cheer, my bro. Appreciate the love today, Fanta. It's pretty cold, but I like the cold. Yeah, so I mean, these Rillabooms, eh? These 2 shiny Rillabooms in the packs. Ooh, they look clean. Just watched the trailer and crack up. Yeah, I like King Sharky. Is that his name? How could you make such good wood art? By taking my time. Oh, I've seen some available on Mighty Ape. And I've seen a box set Bayfair Thunder. So maybe, I don't know if it's still there. Could be. Yeah, bro, that's what I like about it, eh? Got that Street Sharks vibe. I'm that guy, and I like Idris Elba too. He's like Usher when he plays Heimdall, and now he's playing another character. Yeah, King Shark. Oh, yeah. Different to the King Shark Mahalo, mate, eh? On the Suicide Squad game. Either way, it should be a good movie. I thought the other one was pretty funny. Yeah, I prefer the cold, eh? I hate summer, man. Can't go wrong with it, just, yeah, man. He's one of my favourite actors, eh? Idris Elba. Who was that? Okay, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be a great section. Can already feel it. Yeah, from what I've heard, yeah, he's supposed to be. Can't confirm though. I've never really been a 007 man. Still haven't watched Jiu-Jitsu. I pulled a full out Skylar from Shining Face, but the centering isn't on its way out. Oh, true, brother. Yeah, that's a big thing, eh? Centering. I should show you my Rushifus I got. Maybe next inside stream. What's his name? Urshifu. He's a cool. I like him, eh? He's a pretty cool Pokemon. Be mean if he could change stances at will. You watch anime? Yeah, bro. Definitely. Random apple cider. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Random apple cider. Appreciate that, brother. So I drew up some ideas for merch as well. Like I'm still a bit on the fence about it. So I did my name across the shirt, but inside it's got like red band gumboots and some designs. I was trying to figure out whether to do like carving designs or just something else, maybe like waves or something, since you know carving comes from the sea. But I had red band gumboots in the name, and yeah, waves, and then I changed the gumboots for a carved face, like carved figure. Yeah. I don't want to show them yet because they look ugly. Zesty Sai, 3 thank you very much for the subs, guys. Yeah, I'm still a bit on the fence about the red band one. Thank you, Lofet. Yo, more. Cheers, bro. Thanks for the 8 months, brother. Peace is looking good. Have a good day, bro. Mine is about to end. Oh, are you going to sleep, brother? Take my money. Yeah, so we'll see what we can do with that. But yeah, those were some concepts I drew up over the time that I was away from all of you guys. So just trying to constantly keep going, which is the main thing I want to do. All the hearts for you. Yeah, thank you, brother. Europe Tommy. Ah, yes. Yes, brother. Yeah. My late is good for you, eh? Much appreciated for that, my brother. We might hit a late stream tonight. We might. I'm not sure yet, brother. I might, yeah. If I do, I'll probably stream Fortnite because it's Fanta's fault. Okay, let me do this. Hey, cheer brother. Cheer thieving. Kia ora, truly boosted. Someone's partying on a Tuesday. God damn. Must be no work today. All good, Flonk. Get that essay done, man. That's more important than watching me. Like, straight up, I agree. Smash that essay. Cheer, brother Ziggy. How you been, my bro? Okay. Okay, we'll just do these and then we'll carry on. Can you see? Like, I know it's getting a bit dark over here now. Some decent stuff in the battle pass this season. Oh, Chur, you jam it too, my bro. Yeah, it's random because I logged on and I got like 3 V-Bucks. I don't know if it was a last season thing or something. I got like 1,000. So I could probably get it if I wanted to. Bro, I feel like my polar bear skin lost weight, eh? Bro, he's got like the Chris Bumstead waistline now. Polar Patroller, that was one of my favourite skins. Okay, dun-dun-dun-dun. Been playing since beta pretty much. Haven't stopped because my friends and Fanta don't play anything else. Oh, true. Yo, Pokemon Snap next month. Let's go. I haven't played a Snap game since N64 and bro, I'm pretty excited, eh? Let's make that deeper so it pops out a bit more. Don't you know I'm staying with you? Kurt. Golden Crocs. Damn. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. The Golden Crocs. Thank you very much, brother. Oh shit. That's coming. Yeah, so it comes out in April. Because I was just watching some Pokemon stuff last night and yeah, rewatched the trailer and oh damn, that's right. Might be time to trade some more games in. I think I'll hold on to Crash Bandicoot though. Oh, I should hurry up and clock Ghost of Tsushima. Gonna play the original first. Sure, you'll probably be able to get that on emulator now, eh? The emulator. I was watching this Nuzlocke business everyone's been talking about too. Man, that sucks. Yeah, I loved Ghost of Tsushima. I actually thought my save copy got deleted, but it didn't. And now I think I want to finish it off now that I can play it. That's why I'm here, because I got pretty gutted, Because man, I was clearing everything on that game. Yeah, I don't like Nuzlocke. I don't think I'll indulge in that. Is that Dulcim? Yeah, bro. Yeah, plastic, yeah, bro. Fuck, I don't like that, eh? No, thank you. It's a big no from me. Hey, Mayuwushi. Hello. Okay, that's that done. We do. Let's get my 13. So a 13 chisel. Even though it's good for cutting out pakatis, it's also good to like butt your ends to get a nice shape. Now I've come up with an idea for the giveaways on You Don't Have To Day. How is it gonna go? Okay, I'm gonna ask questions of stuff that I've done over the year. So we did an example last night. So everyone was pretty keen on it. So I've got like a few pop vinyls, like 2 anime figures. I'm trying to get some computer stuff as well. like some keyboard, a mouse and whatnot. Got a big ass Hammond pop vinyl, because he's a fun tank. If it was a Reinhardt one, I probably won't give it. Anime thighs are my demise. Bro, that name. Oh nah. Alright, Mr. Anime Thighs are my demise. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. God damn, we got another iconic name coming in. Have you seen Giant Mewtwo Pop Vinyl? I want it. Oh, I thought we were still talking about thighs when you said Mewtwo. I haven't seen a giant one. Maybe we should get a big one, eh? But I saw a big All Might one. I don't want to get there because if I get it, it's not going up. It's staying. Yeah. So I got a Fortnite one. What else? A DBZ one. We got two DBZ ones actually. We got Phoenix Icky from Saint Seiya. Me too, do be thick though. Thank you very much, Jungfern Kranz for the sub, brother. You signing the pops? I mean, I could, but I think they'd have ruined them. I was gonna just write a letter for everything, like just a letter from myself, instead of like drawing my name on it. Kozaks, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. Like a thank you letter. I don't know if that's still a thing, but I thought that's what I would do. Hey, Chur Pope. Yeah, it's just Super Saiyan God Goku and Ultra Instinct Goku. What about the pieces of your hair? Bro, calm down now. Go back to Charlie's Angel, our screaming guy. Gotta watch out for Just Fams. He's that screaming guy that sniffs hair on Charlie's Angels. Lord V, thank you very much for the 3 months, brother. Greetings from Germany. You are awesome. All you, brother. Thank you very much for the sub, my man. Much appreciated for the love, brother. Crazy Souls TV, thank you for the 9 months. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new sub parent. Thank you very much for the 9 months, Crazy, and congratulations on your sub, baby. Treat him well, and thank you very much for the 9 month support on top of becoming a sub parent. What do you do with all the carvings? Oh, I don't keep them, brother. They leave. So this one's going to someone in the chat, the brother JT. I think he's still here. I'm not sure if he is. So he's all the way over in Ohio, I think. I lose something in this bloody voice. The dark humor is me is trying to get out to respond to. Oh hell! Just working on the kitchen. Oh, nice, brother. All good. So there's the brother there. Oh, and the speaker's flat. I'm going to go and put it on the charger. One moment. I'll be watching you, so be careful. The misty mountains call to dungeons deep. What do you mean, hype train? Shouldn't be. In Gavin's old. Hey, playing in the mud. How are you? They marched away, the break of day. The pines were rolling in the night. Okay. Puppets NZ, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Just working and leaping. Oh, nice. Hope you and the cat is good. The meatballist. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. God damn these names, man. Okay. Usually you don't hit the corners from the opposite side. Usually do it bang on from the exact side you cut it from, but maybe we'll just leave it there for now. There you go. Okay, drop your pants, McGee. Oh, bloody hell. Bro, everyone coming out with their names today, man. Time to make dinner, GG. Chur, brother, crazy. Hey, Chur, drop your pants, McGee. Thank you very much for the sub. God damn, and blessing us with your name as well. I swear all the name people are coming out of hibernation. Good laughs, good laughs. Okay, here we go. Okay. Drop your pants, McGee. Bloody hell. Okay. You just do these. So I can't really get in with a V chisel because I don't want to have one that's small enough. So I'll just use it too. Drop your pants, McGee, eh? There you go. And then we'll do this one here. So the grain's not really great, so it's just about finding a way that your chisel will cut through nice and smoothly. Funny Lucas United. Are you gonna put some pounamu on it? Nah. I would never do pounamu eyes on my carving because it's a waste when you can make other things with it. I mean, if it's a scrap off cut you can, but most of the time scrap off cuts aren't that big. There you go. Where do you get the wood? So what's pounamu? So jade, greenstone. So that's the other resource we have here in Aotearoa. Nephrite jade, what we call pounamu. It's one of the most prized materials we have in the country, and you can only ever find it down south. Yeah, it's in the river. There's this one particular the river they have, and you can walk straight past it. Yeah, you could. Looks like an ordinary rock, pretty much, but there are people down there that pretty much know what a pounamu is, like the back of their hand. Can anyone from New Zealand recommend a good area to visit for visitors from the USA? Yeah, who said some? Oh, Plastic said some good ones. Queenstown. It's mean in the winter. Ruapehu. I would say Rotorua, but since tourism's not doing that well here, I would say skip this place. There's not really much to see here anymore, other than geysers. But I mean, I can show that to you close up if you want, just to save your money. Good. No, do that. Partial. Oh, it doesn't really bother me. I've seen that being done since I was born by my kuias, my karogas. I think it all depends, like if on the person themselves. Yeah, it's kind of a normal thing that I've seen, and haven't really thought about it too much. What else do we need to do? I'm just trying to look at pieces that I can carve while it's on this particular side. Yeah, I am listening to, well, soundtracks till the speaker charges. Ooh, ripping, okay. Okay, just gonna need some of the good. Hello from County Tyrone, Ireland. Damn. What's up, brother? Silver hand. I've just got rough hands. I don't know what that means. Yeah. I just know I got rough hands. Like crocodile skin. So this is just linseed, I'm just loosening up the grain. So it will give way easier when you cut it. You can use terps, you can use water if you want. But it won't give way as good as why the rubber boots? You mean my Nike Air Jordans off-road edition? Oh, bro, these are like my everyday shoes, bro. Juice is orange. Thank you very much for the 5 months, brother. Thank you very much, my man. Hope you're doing well, my guy. Yeah, brother, yeah, doing all good, brother. Hope you are too, though. Can't forget you, my man. There we go. Much better. Just be aware of certain edges that you might cut to, because they may break. Yeah, so this is like the gumboot or the welly, whatever you want to call it. Here in New Zealand, like everyone wears them, even in town. I wear them in town. Especially when Mrs. Broxh ain't with me, because she'll tell me to change my shoes. She's like, don't wear those to town. It's either that or feet. Like I wear these through the summer too. They're just comfortable. In Florida. I mean, it's pretty hot there. I can imagine why. Where are we cutting now? Okay, I think it's time to switch up. Yeah, it's like hot as eh? It's like ball stuck to leg hot. What I would call it. And that's hot. That's really hot. Oh yes, bro, that's so random, eh? Like duct tape swimsuits. I was like, what happened? Did you run out of material or something? That's so weird. Like, let me just go to the hardware store and cop me a bikini. Yeah, that's pretty weird, eh? I never really understood that. Is it raining there? Yeah, bro. Sure, plastic. Yeah, that's what with these particular designs, bro, high designs, so it's mainly just the cutting. It's best to try and go as deep as you can, just so it pops out more. And the lighting makes it pop as well. So that's something my grandfather taught me, because when I first started designing, everyone gets quite intimidated, like carving in front of him. But I'm like, yeah, you're just my grandfather. It's all good. Yeah, I was cutting a bit too light, and he goes, "Here, do it deeper so it pops out more." And that's something I'll cat. Hello. Psst. Oh, you're going for the bird on the roof. Where you get it though? Hold on, I was just watching this cat getting primed up to attack these birds on the roof. Shall we watch them, eh? Ladies and gentlemen, here on the Broxh Islands, we have the feline. As he stalks the bird on the open shed roof, you can see as he primes his hind legs for the mighty jump. Ladies and gentlemen, with this particular camouflage he has on his fur coat, he has white, he has black, and he has slightly ginger. What will he do with this camouflage? I do not know, but at the moment he is doing bugger all.
It would seem he is trying to choose his moments as his tail wraps around his front left foot. I think he is contemplating a very difficult situation within his head as he decides whether to jump or to go about his day. As we wait, he must be thinking, what does this bird taste like? What will it feel like? Will I catch it because I'm slightly too fat for stray cat?
Bro, you gonna go up?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, he has been distracted by something else that might be a fur ball, or a ball in general, or perhaps the infamous laser red light. We do not know, we cannot know, but other than that, if he carries on sitting there, we will carry on with our work. And obviously, giving up on his situation, he decides to leave to go and licketh down there'th. Ladies and gentlemen, that was all on Brox's Nature Show. We will now carry on with the wood carving.
You guys are making me lose it.
Thought I'd throw in a laugh there, Whānau. Always good to have a laugh.
There we go.
Please make that a series. Hey, it all depends if the cat comes back.
No, I fucked to cover a cough. BBC is getting jealous. I'd love to meet Sir David Attenborough. Man, I've watched a lot of his programs, eh?
Just shout it to the missus and she's loving the progress. Oh, I thought you were talking about the cat. But, oh, all good, brother. Glad she likes it. Not sure I can ask, but how much do these things usually sell for? It all depends, yeah. So at the moment I'm working to what the bros offered, yeah.
Maybe a little bit over, but hey, it's because I love what I do.
The environmental based one? Nah, Flonk, I haven't seen that one yet. I hardly ever get to watch TV nowadays.
I watched, what was the last one I watched? When they were tracking the Siberian tiger. He's a bloody beauty, eh, that tiger, because it gets huge. It gets huge as. One of my favourite ones is when they go to Hawaii and they watch the humpback whale orchestra, because they go to this particular spot every year to sing, and it's pretty gangster. It's pretty cool.
Pope, yeah, reception will be the biggest one, eh?
That's why I haven't really tried it yet. I need to try a place here, but I just haven't had enough time to. And if I do, then I'll have to take my kids, and obviously I'll probably want to watch them more, just to make sure they're safe.
in the bush so they run away and become a grizzly bear or something. Dope sweater, thanks man. Ragnar, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Ragnar. I think the one that broke my heart the most in David Attenborough's ones was when those walruses are climbing up the hill because they've lost a lot of their territory with global warming, and they're climbing up a hill and they're all falling down. That hit me quite hard, eh? On Nat Geo. Oh, true, yeah. I went to that particular institute as well to do some upskilling and learning. Here we go. Getting better, getting better. Looking forward to seeing you do Unga's one, Thunder. His Pokemon is Crackle. Okay, I'll just do this. Oh, true, Castro. Yo, Annie Joes, thank you very much for the bid as well. Oh, damn. Oh, I'm just grateful that there's people here I can talk to. Let's Boulder. Thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. And William Noxon, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Did you make that all by yourself? Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much, man. All by myself. Sometimes I think I'm just a crazy cat. Running around, don't know where it's at. Bam. Okay. Oop. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Yeah, there's probably some more hilarious names in chat. They're probably just chilling. But there's been some funny ones today though. God damn. When are you gonna do the eyes? Last. Always do the eyes last. Sir Donuts. Just on the States, brother man. The carving is looking incredible. Thank you for the 4 months, brother. Hey, I am a donut man myself as well, brother. Thank you very much for that, my bro. Okay, let me just butt this in. Getting Sorry, I can't speak Spanish, guys. Let's keep it English or Maori, please, so I can understand. Yeah. Bro, these birds on this roof, though. Where's this cat at?
We got a posher chick coming in. He sounds like Korg from Thor. It's all good, bro.
Hey man, my name's Korg. I'm kind of like the leader around here. I tried to start a revolution, but no one turned up because I didn't print enough pamphlets.
There you go, brother.
Bwam, bwam, ding, ding.
What are you working on, bro? So I'm doing what's called a Ruru, brother. So this is a carved mask, one of the different styles of masks that, or face, or facial or figure, or masking, whatever you want to call it. So we do 3 different types. This is one of the 3. This is known as a Ruru or owl, as you may know it. So the owl is also a spiritual bird to the Maori people as well. It's said that this particular bird is connected to the spirit realm as well. And so we also carve these things called manaya, and a manaya is a mixture between a bird, so you usually had the facial features of a bird and the body of a man, and that's what this particular thing also has, like features of a man and a bird as well. But I'm going back to the Ruru, as I was saying. It's a very spiritual bird to us, and it was also the guardian of our people as they slept through the night. Hold on, brother. Another thing too, it would tell you if bad things were coming, like if someone was about to pass or if someone was about to get sick, that kind of stuff. And with these particular carvings, like the one I'm doing right now, we usually put them on the apex of our meeting houses. So we have these things called wharenui, or fully carved ancestral meeting houses. Now at the very top you'd have the mask, and it represented like the face of the ancestor, so we would name the entire house after a pivotal ancestor that may have been a part of X tribe or whatever you want to call it. And so for example, if Broxh was a wharenui, not saying I'm going to be one, I'm not out here trying to be that guy, yeah, so you'd have Brox's face at the top, and you'd have 2 barge boards on either side, which are called maihi, and they're like his outstretched arms, and at the end you'll have raparapa, which are the fingertips, which represent the 3, the cycle of man, like birth, life and death. Sometimes their houses have a 4th finger, which represents the afterlife as well. And on the very front of these barge boards, kind of like just here, you'd have amo, which are the legs. So if you can picture me, that's how the structure's built. Like here's the mask, here's your maihis, right down to your raparapas. So it's built from the human anatomy as well. So like when you walk into a meeting house as well, it has like a barge board along the very top of the ceiling. So that represents the tahu, which is the spine of the ancestor. And you have rafters that pan down on either side down the roof, and usually connects to an ancestor. That represents his rib cage. And in the very centre of our meeting houses we have what we call a pautoko manawa, which is a centre pole that's pretty much smack dab in the middle. That represents the thing that's right in the middle of your chest, your heart. Yeah. But that's where this particular piece goes. Sorry, I tend to like go into it a lot. But that's because I love what I do. Yo, Chur Terminator. Sure, brother, how you been? Yo, Chaos Works, thank you very much for the 500 bits, brother. Hey. I was waiting for a story time note to pop up. Can you use a taiaha? Yep, I've carved some as well. I don't have my own one though. It's the problem with carvers, eh? You know how to carve them, but you don't even have your own because you're too busy making some for others. That's pretty much how it is, man. Every carver I know doesn't own a taiaha because they're too busy making them for someone else. How you been, Terminator? Yeah, so this is what the Ruru is based off of, the night owl, the moorpork. So we start, like where I'm from, bro, you hear those moorporks everywhere, eh? Will you ever do tutorials? Nah, probably not. Main reason why, so I've seen situations where people have put up like, say a tutorial how to do a haka, and then I've seen it being blown out of proportion, eh? Like, there was this couple from whatever, let's just say X country, I'm not going to say which one just in case. They're not even Maori, they don't even descend from Maori, they've never been to New Zealand in their life. And they call themselves professional kapahaka tutors or teachers. And they don't even descend from it. And that's the thing I kind of thought about. Because I was open to it, but when I started, and now I'm kind of not to. Yeah. Got back to working out, and since last week, due to being a medical investigation, quite a funny story. So being this feels good. Started running again, which I hate. Bro, I actually have been feeling the urge to start running, and I hate running too. Beefy bear. So we don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. There are many ways to like recover from them. Like it's pretty easy, bro. But most of the time, bro, you just incorporate it into your carving. Like, but for instances, if you cut out too much timber, there are ways to work around it, like implants and whatnot. Many ways, brother. So I'm looking for my small 13. And no blasphemies as we suffer. Oh, Exord. Sorry, brother. Just getting too into my work. Yo, thank you. Exord with the $10. Was that you, brother? Yo, thank you, brother. Damn, that's a lot, my bro. Really appreciate that. How long have you been carving? Big Dono. Was that it? I hope it was. I consider that a big Dono. That was it. Ah, cool. Thank you for the $10, brother. Appreciate that, my bro. Let's check here. I think we'll do some sharpening tomorrow too. Do some more sharpening tomorrow. And then we can carry on. What is the time? Oh, 11:37. Oh, nah, man.
if I make a mistake, I make a mistake. I just carry on, bro. Yeah, I'm not really scared to make them. Always good to make mistakes, I always say. Okay, there we go. That's just my opinion on it. I'm not scared to make mistakes. If I make them, I make them. If not, just carry on. So Beefy, I only use like Instagram. Oh, all good, Zord. I think it is, but it's the thought that counts for me, brother. So I will say thank you for that, man. Thank you. Okay, there you go. So we're progressing. So we'll do these. So I'm just doing something you can't see right now, and I'll get back to the other side. Just want to try and get them as deep as possible on the first cut. Just so we don't have to redo them. And we should be good from there. One moment, guys. There you go. Okay, it's time for a bit of a break. Where do you get your wood for carving from? From a lot of places, A lot of sources. So I usually go to like a wood recycling centre. And there's another guy I've come across who's a wood turner, and we do like little trades here and there for timber. So you'll give me timber and you'll just either trade or buy it off him. Yo Renee, thank you very much for getting us up to Only Marquis. Sorry. So yeah, that would be the main one. We don't cut down our trees like at all, because obviously it's against the law, but at the same time it makes sense not to cut them down. If they fall down naturally and people hurt us up, then yeah, that's another way we get them. Other than that, you can there's a laminating centre here where you can take all the timber you have and laminate it into one single giant piece. But yeah, like I found a piece like this timber that I'm carving now at a garage sale. So it was like $50. It was a pretty big slab. I've still got the other half in this dinky old shed. I'll probably use it for like a personal project or just one to do for fun. And yeah, that's the pretty much. So you gotta find like ways to look for your timber here. You can't just, okay, who's got the timber? Juka, okay. What did you do? Yo, Juka, thank you very much, brother. For the $5, my bro. Yo, thank you, man. What was it, hookah?
Thank you very much, man. If you're still in the chat, I appreciate that, brother. Much appreciated, Whānau. And also Sench and Mechanic Kev with the subs as well. And so Sench with the 2 months and Kev with the Prime. Much appreciated, Whānau. Thank you very much. Yeah, so we're just taking a little break from the carving at the moment, and then we'll carry on. But yeah, these brows are looking good, just from what I can see. So once we fully like carve everything, so I'll point you down. So once we get all these main cuts done, like these ones you see here, and you see these little bits here and there, we cut those out last. So we'll do that last. We're in question, but since Tāne Mahuta is one of the gods, is it practice to go do prayer? Yeah, so that's so a little story about that too. So obviously, if you're going to cut a native tree down, you have to do your karakia, your prayers to our god of the forest, who is the eldest of all his siblings. Tāne Mahuta is the god of the forest and many living things, because you're about to cut his child down. And a little story about that goes by an ancestor by the name of Rata. And one day he was looking for like a tree. He was looking for a particular tree to cut down to make a canoe out of. And he searched for a while, and he came across this big native tōtara tree. And he decided, okay, we'll cut that down. So it took him all day to cut this particular tree down, and obviously once it fell, he got it, he was celebrating, and he went home that day and decided to obviously rest up for the day that he was going to have ahead of time. And what happened when he went back to this particular tree, it was standing up again, like it was never cut. Like there's no fresh cuts on the tree, nothing at all. And obviously Rata was quite confused at what happened. He's like, hey, I'm pretty sure I just cut this tree down. And obviously did it again, cut the tree down for the whole entire day, and did the same thing, decided to pack up and go home. And once again the same thing happened again. The tree was back standing up with no cuts on it. And then he decided to go back, and he got mad, like, why is this tree I keep cutting this tree down, but it's still standing up when I come back the next day. And Tāne Mahuta, he tells him it's because you aren't like doing karakia or acknowledging me for cutting down my child, and that's why it will keep recovering. And obviously he was shocked, so he decided, he apologised to Tāne Mahuta, saying, I should have known better to, and obviously pray to you before I cut your child down to use. And so what he did, obviously prayed to Tāne Mahuta, god of the forest, the birds and many living things within the forest, and the tree stayed down, and obviously he used it to craft himself a canoe. Yeah. One particular old method that my ancestors used as well to split an entire trunk in half, what they would do, so you have like your long tree that's been felled, and they would cut the other end, and they would dig like little holes in it on either end and put a fire in it, and they build the fire up till the heat pretty much split the timber clean in half. So that's how you have two pieces. So that was one particular method that they had in the old days as well. Kind of like how you follow the grain on a tree. Like if you go against the grain, it takes off a big chunk. Like the heat itself is following the grain until you get a clean split. Yeah. So yeah. Breakover. Master Rushing, thank you very much for the sub too, brother. So for me, it's like because I don't believe in any other religion other than or any other god and all that other than my own, because that's what I was raised on. I mean, some of our people like pray to Christianity and other faiths. So the way we do it, so we have our gods, I'll just point the camera up. So in Maori culture we have our gods from Tāne Mahuta, who we just talked about before. Tangaroa, who is the god of the sea, and also the god of carving. Keep that in mind. We have Rongomatane, who is the god of cultivated food and peace. And Tūmātaunga, god of war. We got heaps. And then we have Tāwhirimatea, who is the god of the winds and storms. So within our culture, well, this is what my grandfather taught me and my mother's, that we have each part of the gods within us. So Whiro, who is the god of being negative, obviously we can be negative at times, so that's him. Tāne Mahuta, who is the eldest, who is obviously a leader of some sort, and gained the baskets of knowledge for humankind so we could think and use our brains like we do today. So we can do that. So that's a part of Tāne Mahuta in us. We get angry when we want to fight, so that's Tūmātaunga, who's embedded with us in it as well. We can find peace within ourselves, which obviously comes from Rongomatane. And well, you can't throw lightning bolts and all that, so I wouldn't necessarily know how we would represent Tāwhirimatea. And obviously Tangaroa, who's the god of the sea and the god of woodcarving as well. So obviously, yeah, you can see that he's here on the stream every day through me. Yeah. So that's how we acknowledge our gods. So we have this that's how I like to think about it, and that's how my grandfather taught me and my mother as well. That's why I'm kind of don't really follow like religions that have been introduced within the country. Like, I stick to what's been here for bajillion years, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. But this ain't throwing any hate at other religions. I don't do that. That's just what I follow. Yeah. Hey, cheers, bro. Cheers for the 12 months up, bro. Bro, the road mic stuff turned up today too. Thank you very much, bro. And also Frankie the Turtle, thank you very much for the bits. I love you, man. Every time I watch your streams, I always get out of that mood. Bro, as long as that happens, brother, that's what matters. Bro, I just woke up this morning and the courier knocked on the door, bro. I was in the lounge already, and bro, I had barely any clothes on, so I just opened the door anyway. It's like, "Che, bro." So, oh, package for you. Then, "Che, bro." Dr. Tux, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, that's just what my grandfather and my mother have shown me, and it's pretty much what I've stuck with. How's the road gear? I haven't opened it yet. You probably noticed your package too. Hey, I had shorts on. My hair was out. I look like Afa and Sika. But I had my morning hair, and it's not very glamorous. Enthusiastic, do it, brother, do it. This is Thunderbluff, brother. Yeah, I'll probably try set it up later, because I can plug it into this camera too, I haven't emailed him yet about that thing too. What got you into carving? my culture, my uncle. So I've always had a big love for my culture and my people. And bro, at the time I actually wanted to work in a zoo in the Red Panda Sanctuary, to be precise. Yeah, I wanted to be a zookeeper. And every Friday we'd have a subject outside of the school curriculum. All in good time to email. Yeah, so I actually wanted to be a zookeeper, and so every Friday we had like school subjects that were out of the norm, and my uncle was a teacher for one, which was carving. Or Whakairo as we call it. I mean, you're a zookeeper now. Yeah, I wouldn't say that. Yeah, so we had like subjects on Fridays, and yeah, I chose carving. There was cooking and all that, but because it was my uncle, I wanted to see what he knew. And yeah, because I always had a big love for my culture and my people. I love kapahaka, everything about my people. And yeah, we had our first class. I remember doing it. We actually did a design, and we gave it a go, and my uncle was surprised at how well I did on our design. And I said, oh, because he asked, have you been carving at all at home? To me, no, this is my first time. He goes, oh, right. And basically, I don't know how to explain it, like the fire was ignited, or the light bulb went off, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, like this is pretty much from 12 years old. I was like, I want to do this for the rest of my life. I remember saying that to myself at school. And yeah, been going ever since. And yeah, my uncle helped nurture me, gave me a solid foundation, taught me all the basics that I still use today. And yeah, man, it's been going hard ever since. Now there's many reasons why I still go today, because I love my people, I love my culture, I love carving in general. Another thing too is to honour his legacy, now that we've become like we were his students, like every carver that he's taught. And yeah, it's about honouring him too, in my personal opinion. That's why I'm still going, because he drives me, he introduced me to this, so it makes sense to carry on for him too. And yeah, I love sharing what I love to do. I've always done it. I've always shared within like the tourism industry, whether it be carving or performing arts. And yeah, and now sharing with you guys right now. So shake. Okay. One moment. And obviously playing some games along the way. Another thing too is like for my ancestors, there was a moment in time where the colonizers tried to bring in a law that made it illegal for us to speak our own language. Basically do anything we did in our culture, like get medicines within the forest, or the bush as we call it, to help with whatever it may be. Carving as well, like, but the main one was trying to just eradicate our language. And yeah, they made it illegal for us, called it the Tohunga Suppression Act. And even when our grandparents and our parents were in school, if they spoke Māori, they would get caned. And yeah, just for speaking our own language. That's how it was in those days. And yeah, I do it for my ancestors that fought their bloody asses off to keep what we have today alive. That's why, another reason why I do it too, because they had it rough, and we're basically enjoying, I don't know how to say it, enjoying the fruits of their labour. Pretty much, like, yeah, that's another reason why I do it, because they fought to keep it for us to do in the current time. Yeah. Yeah, cheesecake. It's just how it was back in those days. Oh, brother Balloon. Cheer, my bro, for the 12 months, brother. Hey. Much appreciated, my bro. Yeah, there's a lot of stories here where, man, it wasn't good for us, or well, our people. But it's just, yeah, let's just say we fought back, we didn't give up. Hey, there he is. Chur Fanta. Yo, and Imperfect Gamer, thank you very much. Imperfector, I was about to say that. Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. And cheer, my bro, Valoon, for the 1 year, brother. How much can you bench though? What's that got to do with my culture? Well, I haven't done bench in ages, eh? Dan, you're right. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's just people like to cover it up, eh? 4MP, thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. And Shifty with the tier 1 too. Can we get some love in the chat for our new Fanta members, please? So if you want to know where the Fortnite stream's coming from, it's from Fanta. It was him. He did it. I'll leave that there. So I'm just doing the spirals that you may not be able to see. Okay, so we'll do this now. Oh, damn! Yo, Shifty! Thank you for the 5 gifted subs, brother. They went to Shock, Twiggleman, Lassambra, Rycots, and Dodge Master Summer. Yo, thank you, brother. Shifty pal. Thank you, my man. Okay, what are we doing? Much appreciated for that, brother. Thank you very much. I'm gonna turn this carving around. I'm glad Max told me about you. Oh, you're from Max's stream. Man, I haven't really been in his streams lately. Better go say hello. And I haven't been able to touch my Illidan characters as well. Yo, cheers, bro. Shout out to Max too. I hope he's doing well. I've seen him playing some Hearthstone, but I was too tired the other day. Cheer, Screamy. Cheer, brother. Yeah, I'm good, bro. All good. How are you, brother? Our speakers should be good now, eh? I better go and check on Mrs. Broxh too. There we go. I'll be back soon. We'll tweet you some pics if I get some decent pulls. Yeah, bro, I hope you get your Charizard. And I don't know, what's the other one? It's Gold Houndour, eh? Oh, Houndoom, sorry. I want, just one Charizard and the 2 Rillaboom. Those are my favourites. Yeah, B. You don't know how much you mean to me. Hide under the table. What's going on? Did you try to set something up but it was too late because I turned up? Oh, Exord with another one. Oh, jeez. One moment. Hold on, damn, I forgot to put at for her name. I've been around, I have many things. Yeah, now the rain wants to stop when we turn the music off, eh? Feels bad, man. You like Fat Freddy's Drop? Yeah, bro, I love their music. So unfortunately we can't like play their music with the whole DMCA bizzo. All that go on, eh? I have many things I've been around, but I'm such a king. Oh, how many things I am such a fool. Don't give me anything. What's our time? Okay, yeah. Okay, Mrs. Broxh wants to go to town. We'll just do this, eh? I'll just do this section. And Mrs. Broxh wants to go and do a few things. Guessing I got baby. And yeah, we'll call it a day. We got a bit done today. Did you enjoy the stream today? I have many things. Yo, Fonz, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Thank you very much. I'm gonna like turn them around so you guys can see what we've done today. We almost got the brow done, but it seems like Mrs. Broxh really wants to go and do these, whatever she wants. Things, whatever, I don't really ask. I just say yes, okay. Don't question it, pretty much. I always enjoy the stream. That's good. Cheers, brother. So we got all of this done. This section here. There's still little bits to clean up here and there, like to readjust. And then we'll eventually do that section and move on to this side tomorrow. So just turn around. Happy wife, happy life. Hey, hard out. Then you can play the game for as long as you want. I've been around, I have many things talking around. So that's some fun for today. We'll definitely have this done this week in terms of the designing, the cutting phase, and then we move into budding all the small sections here and there. and there will be I'll definitely be looking over it again just to see if there are like any spots that I need to fix up or need to readjust, recut and all that. Like any walls that I need to fix up. Yeah, but the majority of the work has been cut out on the brow, and I almost used the wrong chisel. And yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. I will probably recut these two just to get some of the stuff out of it. Thank you, Lazy Chicken, for the bits. But yeah, that's us whānau for the day. I would like to have gone longer, but hey, keep them happy. Yeah, that's gonna be us today. I'm just gonna see who's on. I think the brother's on today. He's doing an early stream. So I'm just seeing who's on now. Yeah, we'll just go through and raid the bro. That's gonna be us for today. I'm not sure if I am gonna late night game tonight. Maybe, maybe not. I might just level offline tonight on well, classic. So that's gonna be us. I'm gonna send yous over to the brother. I think he's changed up his schedule, and if you want to tune into his stream today, he will be opening 10 boxes of Shining Fates. So those are the big trainer boxes. So he's opening 10 of those today on his card podcast. And yeah, he's been giving me shit because he got the Rillabooms I want to get. And yeah, if you want to tune into him trying to pull those, then yeah, go through and have a check. I think he's doing it today. Oh no, it might be tonight. Yeah. But yeah, that's us. I'm going to send you over to Panda, and thanks for the bless. And I will see you tomorrow. We will be on Odin, and yeah, we'll carry on from there. So Chur Whanau, have a safe day, and I'll see you next time. Kia ora.